lead with 3/4 of a loop, and then they're going to split apart with Ken heading down to the left-hand corner of the stage with Austin heading off to your right. Keep your eyes on both airplanes, and right about here they hold back on the stick once again and go straight up into the sky. Over the top, just floating, hanging in the straps there for just a moment. They select that 45-degree down line, roll the airplanes upright. They're now closing in on each other at 400 miles per hour. There's the knife edge cross right there. Redline Air Show. Ken Reeder and Austin Reeder. Ken, born and currently lives in Cincinnati, Ohio area. Look at this. Beautiful hammerheads at both ends of the aircraft box. Wheeler turn allows them to line up like a ship. Pick up each other in their sights. They're heading back towards each other. Look for the second cross at show center. Up they go. And over the top in these opposing loops. Ken Reeder has been flying for 36 years, has over 13,000 flying hours. He's a former corporate airline pilot. He's a multi-engine flight instructor in land and sea planes, and is an aerobatic instructor. Ken is an avid aircraft builder, having completed count the four Vans aircraft RB-8 custom modified aircraft. Now watch the two airplanes. They've been separated doing opposing aerobatics, and now they're going to get back into formation. The job of Ken as the lead pilot is to fly a very smooth and predictable profile so that his son Austin can stay on the wing during this next series of maneuvers. Speaking of Austin, he's been flying for 13 years. Also born and currently lives in the city on building a new RB-8. All right, the smoke comes back on, indicating they're ready for the second part of their air show program. They're going to see some incredible formation maneuvers. This is the side-by-side hammerhead, straight up into the sky. Airspeed slowly but surely coming down to zero right about now. That calls for hard left runner, and over they go on the formation hammerhead turn. Switch up the formations as we go into the third part of Redline's air show sequence. Redline is proud to partner with the following companies: Hartzell Propeller as well as Hartzell Engine Technologies. This team uses the advanced structural composite propeller, providing superior performance and efficiency. Also like to thank JB Aircraft Engine Service, supplier of the Redline engine.
Right at the very
Watch
end.
now as they re-enter the box. And goes upside down. Now watch for the flip.
Just at the
And
end.
upside up, Austin to the side, upside down. Aircraft lighting. Stein Air for the avionics and aircraft accessories. Lastly, they'd like to thank Flightline Interiors and Softy Parachutes. Here's another hammerhead, folks. It's called the In-Trail hammerhead. First dad goes over in the pivot, followed by his son Austin. Want you to wave to the drone.
Civilian, like these two guys. And you can say to go.
As Redline continues their incredible performance, a couple of other quick notes about the RB-8. Airplanes have a 200 horsepower engine, as well as the Hartzell Advanced Structural Composite propellers. And the smoke comes on once again, indicating that Redline is coming back into our aerobatic show area. Just listen to those incredible 200 horsepower engines pulling those RV8s through the sky. Watch now for the formation barrel roll. RV8 that he is flying here today. Get your cameras ready and watch for the split at Show Center. They cross right in front of each other. Toronto, what do you think of Redline Air Show so far?
When I leave it on and then they get the water
Approaching each other at a closing